televidente bombini na outra edição de Time Out. Agora em Time Out, nós um grande norte junto com nós, Mr. Paralympics 2024, nós referindo na ELLIOT LOONSTRA, que ainda causa um furor na Paris e aqui em o Paralímpico. Agora nós vamos Time Out cortico, se nós vem back, nós estamos conversando com ELLIOT LOONSTRA. Presidente, danke por quedando conosco. Vos permisos, vas over in inglês para nosso amigo ELLIOT. ELLIOT, look, first of all, congratulations with the enormous propaganda you gave Aruba.
Thank you very
I
much.
think your blue hair and como dice Bril, and the glasses you had
The
on,
glass.
those were incredible, incredible. Tell us how it was.
It was great. It was very, very good vibes. The opening ceremony, especially after that, people were in love with me, especially the French people. I saw a lot of articles. I saw a lot of pictures. I think I saw even on TikTok we were one of the best dressed groups. I think got a couple pictures in Vanity Fair too, which shocked me. The event itself was really, really cool. It was very different from Tokyo because in Tokyo it was COVID, so we didn't have any audience. It was mostly just the athletes and the coaches. And this time we had all the public, and we fought in the Grand Palais, which, from what I understood and from what I've seen at the venues, was by far one of the nicest venues. I'm still surprised that we got to fight in there, but it was amazing. It was overall a great experience.
Wow, wow, wow. All the people were coming to greet you when you walked in Paris in those days?
Oh yeah, yeah. Some people noticed me. Some people were like, "Is that the guy?" Like you could hear them like they weren't sure, but they wanted to check it out. At one point, I came back to the village, and I remember there was like 3 or 4 people, and they wanted to trade the pins because the pins are very popular when you're in those games. And I had my a hoodie up, so you couldn't see my hair or my glasses. And they asked to trade pins, and I remember I gave one of them a pins, and one of them goes, "You look familiar," and I took the hoodie off, and the way that they like freaked out, they're like, "It's him! It's the guy from Aruba with the blue hair, the glasses. It's him! It's him!" And I'm just there like, "Yeah, man, it's me. What's up? How y'all doing?"
Wow, you did a fantastic propaganda for Uruguay. The whole world talked about you. I think I don't know which side it was. It got more than 1 million views.
Yeah, did it? I'm not sure which one it was, but I know that we came off very, very popular, most definitely. I heard a bunch of good things from the French side. I've heard good things from the Aruba side. I've heard good things from friends in the States. There's a lot of people that were like, "Hey man, that move you did at the opening ceremony with the glasses, where I kind of like brought the glasses down and hit them with the fingers."
Wow.
Everybody loved that.
You're going to live in Paris now?
Yeah, I mean, if they got a spot for me, sure.
Look. What was the most that impressed you?
The most that impressed me,
The most impressive moment? That's what
the
exactly mean.
crowd.
The crowd?
I know that sounds weird, the crowd, because like I said, in Tokyo, because of COVID, we didn't have anybody there. It was mostly just the athletes. But this time we had the full experience with everybody, the public and everything, and the public was amazing. The
Wow.
public was screaming, they were going off. The people that I met on the streets, just because they recognized the blue hair, they were super, super nice to me. Uh, a couple of them took me out to explore the city. Very, very cool experience.
Did you bring something from Aruba to Paris to give away?
Oh, glasses, man. I brought the heart glasses that I always have.
Yes.
I bought I think it was 60 or 70 pairs, and I just started handing them out to people. They were like, "Hey
Yes.
man, I really like your glasses." Yeah, most definitely. They would
That's
be like,
nice.
"Yo man, your glasses are really cool," and I just be like, "Yo man, what's your favorite color?" "Oh, green." "Well, here's a green one for you." And though they made so many people so happy.
Nice, man. Nice. Televidente, la conoscem por time out cortica, sin Nicolas y Meklos Dimasco. Elliot Loonstra.
Welcome to Holland. Welcome to the country of the world's most famous cows. This is where your Frisian flag milk comes from. Taste our nature at its best. Frisian flag. Discover the goodness of milk from Holland.
So your interaction with the people was phenomenal.
It was awesome. It was amazing, especially the day of the tournament. Afterwards, I went outside because my family was there, and while I'm talking to my family, I think at least 10 to 15 people came up and they're like, "Hey man, we just saw you fight. It was a great fight. It was amazing. You're really, really cool." And then even after that, every other day, I'd probably like just walking down the street, somebody will come up to me real quick and be like, "Hey man, are you from Aruba?" And I'm like, "Yeah, dude." I even met an Aruban guy in France. He was on ¿cómo se llama? Um, Meine Stage,
Okay,
but
yeah.
in Francia. And I met him too, and he's like, "Yo, man, I saw you too." And by chance, I just met another Aruban there. It was really, really cool.
Wow, very nice to hear that. Look, talking about the fight you had with the guy from Costa Rica, you went him last,
Yes.
you went for him last time you meet him. What was the difference this time?
Um, you know what? It was a very, very close fight. It, I mean, unfortunately, it didn't go the way I wanted to in the end. But I brought it back. He had me in the. He was leading me 10-5. I brought it back to 8-10, and then I'm very sure he thought he had it, but I brought it back again to 10-10, and we went to what's called golden round, where whoever gets the first
Sudden
kick
death.
in or the first kick that makes a point, they get their win. And I kicked them maybe 4 or 5 times, and they just didn't go in. And the timer was at 20 seconds, and I said to myself, you know what? If I can hold out for 20 more seconds, I'm very sure I'll win. And he got lucky, and he got me in the back. And yeah, that's how it happens. Sometimes that's
Wow,
the way the sport
wow.
is.
Did he
Sometimes you win some, sometimes it doesn't happen.
did he improve? If you can going back to when you meet him last time.
Did he improve? I don't want to say he improved too much, but he was definitely still on his game for sure.
Okay,
Oh, I
okay.
think I fought him 4 times in the past so far now, including this one in Paris. The first two, he beat me because I didn't have experience. The third one, which was the last time for the qualification in the Dominican Republic, I beat him. And in this one,
He was
he
lucky.
basically like he got very lucky because
Yes, he
I
was
definitely
lucky.
hit him a bunch of times. They just didn't hit him with enough force to make the points, and he got one good kick in, and that was pretty much it. But I'm very sure that if I meet him again, I'll be able to beat him. He's not an opponent that I'm worried about anymore.
And look, Do you want to go to the next Paralympics, 2028?
I would love to. I'm not sure if that's gonna happen though. At the moment, I'm in a very gray area of whether or not I'm going to continue.
Are you going to prepare from right now, from today on, to 2028? Because I think you did a very, very good job.
I like I said, I would love to go to 2028, but I'm in a very gray area right now. Um, as much as I would like to continue the sport, at the moment I'm having difficulties finding funding and whatnot. If I have the funding for the next 4 years, I'll definitely go. No problem. I would love to continue the sport.
I,
But yeah, it is what it is. If I can manage to keep going, I'll definitely keep going.
that's nice.
If not, I guess I'll have to find something new to do.
Oh,
But if
but
I could, I would definitely go for 28.
wow, wow, because you're right now you're at the top, or in the
Yeah.
first three, four for best in the world right now.
I think I just went up a rank. I'm seventh in the world right now, I think it is. And in North and South America, I'm number two.
Wow, wow, wow. Let's hope you can get the funding for you, and I think from Aruba. Aruba, it's gonna make more profit from you going to these events than anybody else has done in the past, because what you did with your charisma, with your personality was incredible. You
Oh
were
yeah,
simple a billboard selling Aruba.
thank you. Most definitely, there was definitely a bunch of people that a lot of the tourists and the French people that I told you that came to say hi to me because they saw me at the opening ceremony. They literally one of the first things they said to me was, you know what? I didn't even know what Aruba was until I saw you in the opening ceremony, and it's a beautiful, beautiful place, and I hope I get the chance to go. And the first
Wow.
thing I tell them is, if you come to Aruba, I'll show you around, and you'll have a great time, and you'll never want to leave.
Don't tell everyone because otherwise you have to do with maybe 20,000 people. Don't forget it. Don't forget.
What's I see?
We can make it. We can make arrange buses, to make it
Most
easier.
definitely.
Yes, yes. Look,
We'll get all the tour companies in it and have everybody jump in.
yes. Look. I think this is the best moment in your life. Uh, I hope you enjoyed it because we enjoyed it here a lot in Aruba. I thought you were going to win the first fight because if you win that guy, you're going straight to the finals. Because I know you could. You had a potential to go there. I don't know who was he. Was he to the finals? The Costa Rican guy.
No, he went to the next round. The next round he lost, and then he got a repashage, and repashage he lost as well.
Okay, okay. Televidente, che honor awe den timeout ELLIOT LOONSTRA. E maniera que causa furor na Weganang Paralímpico na Paris último de ano aqui na caminho com minta corte site foi cabeça. Por tanto tem mais com 1 milhão views para sobre que maneira que aparentemente sua maneira de busy, sua cabeça, seu brilho de coração que estava tem e não se contente de ter aquela hope brilho ela parte na Paris, criando ambiente formidável de benta para Pida Barranca que chama Aruba. ELLIOT, thank you. You weren't the champ, but you are the champ for all of us here on Aruba. Thank you very much.